seeing the transformations in their health and their life, the lasting effects. Seeing them a few years later down the line, seeing they're still sticking to the changes that we made and still having success in their health and their life. See how much our beliefs impact all of our choices. If you can imagine the choices that we make around food and what we eat and our lifestyle, it has a lot to do with the way we grew up, the way we were raised, the way we saw our parents do things and our families do things. People think that, oh, it's genetic. A lot of times it's more mindset, generational beliefs that are passed on. Of course, there's genes that are passed on. I will never deny that. However, a lot of the choices we make are generational. They are literally mentally conditioned to make those choices, believing that's who we are because of the way we grew up. If I could shift the beliefs of somebody and they've got kiddos and they're shifting the beliefs in their kids to live healthy lives, to make different choices and healthy choices, that literally can shift the health for people for generations to come. So ultimately, that's what I'd love to see happen.